Now we've just arrived in Heraklion and we've come out for an evening meal. This is John and this is Jackie. They're from Scotland, Sport Rangers, or John does. This is Debbie and George.
I'm looking for a room.
Now George is... Oh, get a room, will you? Get a room. Hello, George. And George has brought us out to one of his friend's restaurants. And then Sven and Jackie, Sylvia. So, sat together. I have two Sylvias there on view. Yamas, girls, Yamas. Yamas is the word for cheers. Enjoy your drink.
This camera, they sell it in the supermarket. It's €2.
On occasion, I play pool with George. Not very successful. I'm afraid George is, And sat on the table, we're just having a meze.
Okay. So
this is prior to the main meal. An assortment of foods.
And don't forget the duck,
A nice variety.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, Sven.
They're reaching away there.
And Sylvia. And Sylvia. And Sylvia. No, John. Sorry.
Debbie.
And get the room.
Constantly are having sex, sometimes at the table. It's very difficult to keep tabs on them. We're just having starters as a meze, and then we'll follow this later with a steak meal.